Morning. We are back with a report of the US markets along with the review of the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. So, the markets are still spooked. They're in a risk off mood, partly because of the valuation fears from the tech sector, partly because of the Supreme Court hearing regarding the tariffs, and partly because of the China trade disappointment. So all those things are serving as headwinds for the markets, and as a result, the markets have dipped. Um, there's been a drop of about 1 to 2%, or perhaps maybe I should say 1.5 to 2% in all the markets, S&P 500, the Nasdaq, as well as the Dow Jones. And the markets are a bit fearful. However, the futures are pointing higher today, so it looks like the markets are aiming to make a recovery. And like I've been saying all week, that the markets will recover pretty soon because um, all these fears are there, but they do not have any sound basis. And the markets have tried to stage a recovery. They have climbed by 1% even yesterday towards the close of the market. So it's obvious that the markets are aware that these fears are maybe perhaps not well founded. So the markets are trying to make a recovery, but in the meantime, yes, the markets are taking a dip, and so is Bitcoin with it, which is dropping down to the 100,000 mark again and again. It recovered from 100,500 and is hovering around the 101,000 mark right now. But like I said, even that is trying to make a recovery. Oil prices have been taken a hit because of the stockpiling of oil from the Saudis, and the oil prices have taken a hit because of that. The euro appears to be gaining against the US dollar because the US dollar remains weak because of shutdown fears. And gold is not staging a rally for reasons that I've been saying all along, that there is not much cash flow into gold because it seems that the market rally will return and cash flow will return to it. So cash is sitting on the sidelines and they're not getting much cash flow into gold. So all of this is happening. Today, my prediction is that the markets will try to stage a recovery. The markets will try to climb today. There will be a rally. So stay long on the markets, stay long on Bitcoin. Gold, however, as well as oil, as well as the US dollar, will go down. So stay short on those. That is my prediction. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted and hope you have a wonderful weekend. And watch out for our weekend report for this week as well as a forecast for next week, which we will issue over the weekend, tomorrow and the day after. Hope you have a wonderful weekend.